improve digestion. Number 1, high fiber diets. This has been linked to reduce risk of digestive conditions like ulcers, hemorrhoids, IBS, and even gastric reflux. So stack up on your green leafy vegetables and your legumes and nuts. Number 2, eat healthy fats. According to some studies, omega-3 fatty acids decrease your risk of developing inflammatory bowel disease. Good sources are chia seeds, avocados, fatty fish like salmon and sardines. Number 3, remember digestion begins in the mouth, so chew your food. Poor chewing has been linked to decreased nutrients absorption. 4, regular exercise. A study in healthy people showed that regular exercise increases gut transit by 30%. 5, stay hydrated. This keeps the stool soft and prevents constipation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!